when I went to see Dr. Bopes for the oral surgery to have my lower teeth removed, I can remember him saying, "Don't worry about anything because you've got a good, strong bone from what it looks like on the x-ray." When I got finished with it, when I actually came to and everything, there were no teeth there. And Dr. Bopes came to me and told me that it was one of the worst episodes that he'd had as far as a weak bone. He said that my bone was like sand. He could almost dip it out of my mouth. And I thought, oh, what did I do? The more I thought about it, the more scared I got. I called into the office, and it was after hours, and I left a message. Lisa called me back, and if it hadn't been for Lisa, I don't think I would have come back. She helped calm my fears. She answered question after question after question, and she spent so much time with me. So we let my jaw heal. We went back for the oral surgery. This time everything worked as planned, and the process since that time has gone like clockwork, and I couldn't be happier with the end result.